Had me in the right spot. It just, the tires weren't big enough and the wheelbase was just wrong. There we go. These rocks are big when you get up here. Nice. Nice driving. Nice driving. Oh. Oh, that big one was so frustrating for me too. It kind of pivots you. That might be better than trying to cut around this other one. Yeah.
What's he thinking?
To go over the rock, to get more left. Brakes are screaming. There we go. He might be able to make it over that.
I think you're okay.
Those rocks are a lot bigger when you get up here. Little bit of
They're in the same hole.
a bump and turn driver a little bit as you bump it. There you go. There you go.
Wow. Nice. Keep going. Momentum.
Unbelievable.
Momentum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Nothing to it.
Oh my
Skill,
gosh.
buddy.
Pure skill.
You see the rocks flying out there?
It's a goat.
Don't stop.
Oh yes. He made it.
That was cool.